Hi, it's Jem from Inspired by the Journey. Some of you will have seen our previous videos with our Ninja Deluxe Creamy. Today my idea is I want to do something a bit healthier than some of the other recipes we've done, but I still want to have something that's nice and tasty. So this is inspired by our favourite Italian dessert, tiramisu. So the first thing we've got is I've got 300 grams of yogurt. I've used Fat Free Yoghurt, so we're going to see how this goes. So, and then I'm going to mix into this 15 grams of cocoa powder. Right, so I'm just give the cocoa powder a bit of a mix. This cocoa powder is quite fine, isn't it? So it gets a bit lumpy. So I just want to make sure that's mixed in quite well before I get any further. The next thing I have got is 45 grams of brown sugar. So we'll mix that in. Again, we want to try and get rid of any lumps of that. And I've decided that this is another recipe that we won't be sharing with Milo. Sorry, Milo. So I am adding in 25 ml of Kahlua. It's really starting to smell like tiramisu now. And then the last thing I've got here to add in, of course, is the coffee. So I have made a very, very short coffee. We really like the coffee from one of the local companies. So it's from the Craft House Coffee. It's something we really enjoy and like supporting a local business. So I've got, like I say, a very strong, so it's 25 ml of coffee here, but very strong. Now I've actually used decaf. I drink quite a lot of decaf coffee. So I thought, why not use it in this? So we'll just mix that in as well. I'm still finding a few little lumps in here of cocoa powder, so just give it a bit more of a stir. This looks and smells amazing. So the next thing to do is to pour it into our container and to put it in the freezer for 24 hours. So here we have it. That's the tub ready to go in the freezer. So we'll put that in the freezer and we'll see you tomorrow. Right, so let's put this into spin. So slot the pot in, twist it round, full pot down to frozen yogurt, and then we'll push it in to start. Right, so let's have a look at this. Oh, brilliant. That's looking very creamy. Right, so what I'm going to do is add in some of these mixins. So I'm going to put in some chocolate drops. And then the other thing that I'm going to add in is some of these sponge fingers, which, like I said, have been soaking in Kahlua. I wasn't sure whether to soak them in Kahlua or coffee and decided to go for Kahlua. So I'm just going to crumble those up a bit. I don't want them crumbled up too much, but I just think then it will give the texture of tiramisu. I'm just actually going to put 2 of these in. And I was surprised how quickly, with soaking the sponge fingers, how quickly they soaked up the Kahlua. So put the lid back on. In. Full pot again and then mix it. Right, so that's mixed everything in. So let's see what we've got. I've got 2 bowls here because I think Andy is going to come and join me to taste this. Oh, this is feeling very soft scoop. It's scooping out lovely, lovely. But yes, it's definitely on the softer side of things. Right. Would you like to try this, Andy? There we go.
I'm going to try from behind the camera.
So no one can see his expression. So you can certainly tell that it's a frozen yoghurt. It's and I think frozen yoghurt has quite a distinctive taste. It doesn't taste overly Kahlua-y. And I'd be tempted to try it with some sponge finger that I hadn't soaked to give it a bit of texture. I don't know if you've come across any chocolate drops yet, but I think that adds a nice sweetness into it as well. Certainly make this again. I think it would be quite nice with your Bailey's ice cream as well. So Andy's just gone and got the Bailey's ice cream that he made the other day out of the freezer. So I'm going to add in a scoop of this, and they actually go really well together. Better than I thought they did. I think next time I would maybe with the sponge fingers put some in, maybe on top, broken on top or something like that, just to add to the texture. We're going to go off and finish this ice cream, or finish what's in our bowls, and the frozen yoghurt. I hope you like the tiramisu recipe, and we will no doubt be posting some more recipes soon. So if you've got any ideas of anything that you think would be a good dessert, maybe your favourite dessert when you're travelling or something like that, that might make a good frozen yoghurt or ice cream, or if you've got any other suggestions, put them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye!